Hello everyone, it's Sunday 14th November and the time right now is 5:11 p.m. and the temperature is positive 7 degrees Celsius. Today I just start my walk from 4th Street Southwest C train station, and this is how I want to show you guys how Sunday evening looks the downtown Calgary. And I'm stuck at the signal.
Pardon? Sorry?
I had some hash and you got something with the smoke going up.
Oh, I don't smoke hash.
I know, but can you roll it for me?
And I'm going towards Stephen Avenue. Like last few days, there is a lot of major incidents or crime happen in Calgary, downtown, and Marlborough C train station. So many people asked me on my Instagram that is Calgary crime rate is very high. Actually, I live in the last 3 years in Calgary downtown, and I don't feel like Calgary has high crime rate. So every big city has some incidents every day.
Still have some hash.
The bar is open. Okay, let's go. I don't know what should I say. I talk like last 1 hour. I just talk and talk. I just finished my live stream today after a long time. I did a live stream. Wow. I just doing my blog today with my phone because I did the live stream. That's why maybe the night video it's not that good quality as my other ones. So still the Stephen Avenue walkway is closed for the public transportation, and I can see all the lights is here. I don't know why they don't start the decoration for the Christmas yet. It's almost holiday season, and those little lights makes our holiday season extra special. They're trying to smile the kids for the photograph. It's cute. I'll not continue this video that long today. Uh, and if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. It's Sunday evening. That's why literally everyone is at home, because today was very good weather and tomorrow everyone has work. If we go at this side, you can see the famous Polson, Fairmount Hotel. And look at this stellar sky lighting. So I'm going on that side. It's Sunday, everything is closed too early. It's like around 5 p.m. Even though it's Tim Horton in downtown Calgary, it's closed too early, 5 p.m. Oh, here is the Calgary Tower. Today, blue. You know, the Calgary Tower light has changed every different day, different color because of some reason, right? Here is the famous Fairmount, Calgary. This side is most of the oops.
Yeah.
Be careful what's in this side. Look at the tall sky building. And Calgary Tower light, they try to match the Calgary Tower light some other major light like this building light and Tower Sky light. Okay guys, I think I'm going to finish my walk here. Take care, stay safe, and have a good night.